In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your X.com or Twitter followers in just a few simple steps. If you want to quickly see exactly who is following your account, this is the fastest way to do it inside the X platform. Whether you're managing a personal profile, a creator account, or a business page, knowing how to access your follower list can help you track your audience and better understand who is engaging with your content. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your X account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the navigation menu. From there, click on Profile. This will take you directly to your public profile page, where you can see your account details, posts, and follower information all in one place. Once your profile loads, look just under your bio section. You'll see your follower count displayed there. To check your followers, simply click directly on the follower's number. As soon as you do that, X will open the full list of accounts that currently follow you. You can scroll through the list to view each follower, check usernames, and review profiles if needed. This is especially useful if you want to keep an eye on audience growth, verify who is following you, or manage your account more effectively. If you want to go back afterward, just use the back button or return to your profile page anytime. And that's it. You now know how to check your X.com or Twitter followers in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy social media tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.